Hello and welcome to another beehiiv 101. In this video, I'm going to cover our brand new email gate and pop-up features and show you how to get them set up, launched, and collecting new subscribers. So to get started, what is an email gate or a pop-up? So in case you're unfamiliar, email gating is the practice of creating some sort of barrier so that a user has to subscribe before they can view the content. Similarly, pop-ups can be used to prompt the user while they're reading your publication or reading an article to sign up for the newsletter. And why is this important? Well, as you have users come to the site or emails shared around, you're going to have users coming to your beehiiv publication that are not subscribers yet. So these are two methods that you can use to get subscribers signing up from content that they're already reading. One of them is going to be kind of a hard barrier. The other one's going to be a soft barrier, and I'm going to show you how you can use each and the effect that both will have. So to get started, if we look at an article, this is how a regular free post looks. This is kind of a dummy post with placeholders and lorem ipsum text, but more or less this is going to be what a post looks like. So in order to set up gating and to see what that looks like, we're going to go to our settings, travel over to publication, and we're going to scroll down to this new section where we talk about advanced email capture, and we have these options here. So by default, it's going to be set to none. For this example, we're going to change it to gate, and we're going to change here to something like get the latest golf content. And then we're going to change this to let's go. All right, so once this is saved, we just saw in the beginning that I could click on a post and it's just going to show up like normal. Now that we've turned the gating on, when I click on a post, this is what's going to show up for the reader. Get the latest golf content. I added that content. This content is free, but you must be subscribed to the Turn to continue reading. Now I'm going to have to put an email in. Or if I was already a member, I could sign up. You hit let's go. It's going to unlock the post. User is going to get a confirmation in their inbox for them to set up or complete the account setup, and they're in. So you have a new subscriber. They're reading your content. It's a win-win for everyone. So the next step, now that we've seen the gate, is going to be to test out the pop-up. So from the same part of the settings, we're going to scroll down to where it says post email capture type. We're going to try this out now with the pop-up, and we're going to now change the pop-up CTA to let's go and hit save. So now that we hit save, if you'll remember last time, if we go back here, when I clicked on this, there was an email gate that opened up when I submitted my email. This time we're going to click through and we're going to scroll down. And when we get about halfway, it's going to have this pop-up where it says enjoying this post or whatever copy you put in there. Subscribe to get more content like this delivered to your inbox for free. I changed it to let's go. I put my email address in, make it test2@beehiiv.com, hit let's go. Oh, I think it's because I already have subscribed there. We're doing validation. So I make it a second one. Now you can see the pop-up went away. I can continue reading, and I've gained another subscriber. So I hope this is really helpful. These are two really powerful, cool features that we are very proud to have released, and we have a lot more where that's coming from. There's going to be ongoing updates over the coming weeks and months, but hopefully this gets you started. Have a great day.